Keep it facing there.
Pretty good. Also pretty quick. Oh yeah, look at
Suzanne?
Yeah, I got it here.
Yeah.
Warm.
Oh, you felt that.
Right hand.
Perfect. You did pretty good there, man.
Up here, okay?
And the head shake there. Got a picture of this one. Oh yeah. Want a photo with it?
You said that. Place that where you're gonna hit.
A little bit here.
It's just a video. We'll cut the shots after. Very nice.